Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is John Ebunyi Ode, aka Red Hound. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to discover the HTTP methods supported by your target web application or website. Alright, and in this video, I'm going to also show you why you should not put too much trust on some of these GUI tools, and there are times that you need to make use of command line tools to carry out your attacks. Alright, so over here in my BurpSuite community edition, I have a request here, and I'm going to send this request to get a server response. So my main purpose is to discover the HTTP methods supported by this particular website, so that I can be able to upload a malicious file using the post or put HTTP method. Alright, so if I make use of options right now, let me change it to options, because these options here will tell the server to return to me the list of supported HTTP methods that it supports. Alright, so I'm going to hit on the send button. You see over here I got 404 not found, right? Okay, so now let's resort to command line 2. So I'm going to make use of Nmap to carry out this particular attack, that is to send this request to see if the server is going to send me the list of HTTP method it supports. So I'm going to come over here to my terminal. Alright, so I'm going to try to use Nmap to see if I can discover the HTTP methods, since BurpSuite did not return the HTTP methods the server supports. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make use of Nmap and port 443, right? And I'm going to make use of the script http.methods, and I'm going to pass in, not dot method, this is methods. Sorry for that, I still got that wrong. Alright, okay, so I'm going to supply the argument for it. That should be ax http methods.url path, and I'm going to give it an arbitrary path. Let me spell that right. Alright, so let's make use of admin.php and then supply the target domain. Alright, so I'm going to hit the enter key. Let's wait for the response. Alright, so I've gotten the supported method, this particular target domain support. So I have the post method here. Now, if this target domain is vulnerable, I can upload malicious file to this target web server or to this target domain, and then use the get request to retrieve such file or to execute such file. Alright, so the main aim of this video is to show you how to make use of the command line tool whenever you don't get what you expect with GUI tools like BurpSuite and other tools. So thank you for watching, and if you know you are just viewing my channel, just hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good luck in your penetration testing activities and your bug bounty hunting. See you next time. Bye.